araw muli sa inyo lahat. Tayo ngayon mag-aaral at papatuloy sa ating nuggets of truth, especially sa ating 21 days challenge o Christmas conquest na ating tinatawag din 21 days of blessings. Dahil ang ating simulang serye ay blessed to be a blessing. And right now, I would like to start a new series about Jabez or the prayer of Jabez. Sabi sa 1 Chronicles 4:9-10, Jabez was more honorable than his brothers, and his mother has named him Jabez, saying, I gave him birth to him in pain. Jabez cried out to the God of Israel, Oh, that you would bless me and enlarge my territory. Let your hand be with me and keep me from harm, so that I will be free from pain. And guess what? And God granted his request. So nakita po natin sa buhay ni Jabez na siya po ay nagsimula sa hindi magandang kalagayan, ngunit hindi siya minto sa ganoong sitwasyon because he cried out to God and prayed that he asked for the blessing. So sa susunod mga araw, we will study this that we call prayer of Jabez. At sa una, makita po natin na his prayer has a prayer of with a purpose. Ito ay panalangin na mayroong layunin. At ang prayer niya is a prayer for blessings. At kung pagkakalimihin nyo, ang blessings na hiningi niya rito ay hindi po material things. Dahil sinunod niya po yung you would enlarge my territory, which is more of the material things. But the blessings na hinihingi niya rito ay una at higit sa lahat ay spiritual things na pinaka-importante sa bawat isa sa atin. Na hilingin natin ang mas spiritual na pagpapala na pag inuna natin yun, sabi nga ng Matthew 6:33, that seek you first the kingdom of God and His righteousness, and all these things shall be added unto you. So kung meron tayong unang hilingin talaga sa ating buhay, hindi mga spiritual na, mga physical na bagay, hindi mga material na bagay, kundi higit sa lahat ay spiritual blessings. Ang makilala ang Panginoon, nang lumalim tayo sa Kanya, magkaroon tayo ng karanasan na talagang magbabago ng ating buhay. So sa Pasko ito, unahin natin ang para sa Panginoon, unahin natin mga bagay tungkol sa Panginoon dahil alam natin He will really indeed bless us as we seek His kingdom and His righteousness. God bless you and see you next time.